How to use apps in Microsoft Teams. There are lots of apps that can be used from right within Teams. They can show up in several places depending on what they do and how they've been built. Some apps also have bots that you can chat with. One of the main ways to use an app in Teams is on a dedicated tab at the top of a channel or chat. Select the plus sign at the top of a channel or chat. To see which apps are available to you, some are built into Teams like OneNote. Others, your organization has approved. We'll add Planner to this channel. Once you've entered the information you want, the app shows up in a tab at the top of the channel. Some will need you to sign in before you can use them. You can use the same app in multiple channels and chats. Another way apps are used is in messages. Apps that work with messages let you insert their content directly into a message. If you don't see the one you want, select More Options. Find one and select Add. Other apps can send notifications and information to a channel. These are called connectors. They connect to things like Twitter or Yammer or your project management software. Some apps can be used outside of a team channel or chat. When you access an app in this way, you get a view of all of your information in that app from across Teams. To get to this personal view, select More Options on the left side of Teams. Then choose any app. If there's an app you want, search for it by name or browse for more apps available to your organization. Hit like or follow for more. Thank you.